Hello and welcome to Travels with Shane and Matt. Here's a cabin tour of Charlie 704, which is on deck 10 of P&O Azura. So as you come in, you've got your little switch that turns all your electric on, and in here you've got your please make up my cabin or I'm resting, don't disturb. As you then come in, you'll see the whole cabin. To the right hand side you've got your walk-in wardrobe area where your life jackets are. Loads of space here for a couple of weeks, some big suitcases and clothes. There's then a tall wardrobe which has got a free safe. You just pick your own number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or so shelves. At the bottom there's also a bit where you can request some laundry or dry cleaning. Then to the right hand side we've got the bathroom. Possibly the hottest shower known to man. We've had it on the coldest setting and it's still burnt me, if I'm honest. Well, not burnt me, but it's been very hot. The usual clothes drying hook that you just zoom over there like that. The White Company shampoo shower gel, a little handle in case it's ever rocky, and then you get your bath towels, shower towels, a couple of hand towels. Matt's just washed his hands, which is why that's not put back neatly. Then a couple of shelves, large mirror, your sink, tap, shaver charging unit, tissues, couple of bins, vacuum toilet. Love this. Don't know why, but I love it on the cruise. And then coming out of the bathroom, you've got a full length mirror. You've got your heating, an aircon here, a couple of pictures, and then if I head over here first, you've got a coffee table and bin under there. Then your television, which has some free movies, some basic channels, navigation, radio, etc. Then you've got a kettle, tea, coffee, biscuits normally, but I've just eaten them, glasses and cups. To the right of that you've got a chair, and we'll do the balcony in a second, so I'll just spizzle around. On the other side you've then got your desk and another mirror, a couple of English plugs on there and on here actually, and also just to mention, under here there's a fridge in every cabin, which is really good. Then just in this cupboard here you've got a hairdryer, then bedside tables, a couple of drawers. If this is set up as a twin room, then they move one of the bedside tables in the middle to split it up. Really large mirror to make the cabin feel bigger. And then the same on that side. Super duper comfy bed this, and the bedding's nice and soft. And then head over to the balcony. You've got the child safety lock there, and I'll take you out in a second, but because this is one of the larger balconies on deck 10, they're the same on deck 10 and 9. They're like double depth probably, normally for the same price as a normal balcony, because it's not classed as a deluxe balcony. What I would say is highly recommend you go onto deck 10, because you've got a bit here where you're not overlooked by anyone, but then you've got the bit out there where it is overlooked, so it's always in the sun, whereas on deck 9 I'll show you, but you're completely overlooked. You've got a couple of deck chairs, footstools and a coffee table. To open, it's as simple as lever and, he says, pull, and I'll just show you. but if you look below, they are completely overlooked, whereas that's above those, and so we've got all this space. If you know the people in the cabin next to you, they'll open that door for you, but I'd say this is a 3 metre by 3 metre balcony, so a good 9 square metres, which is great. And you've also got a balcony light there. And I think that's it for this cabin. We've had a really nice time in this cabin. The only thing I would say actually is, as you're docking in port, we must be over one of the Azapods, because the vibrations, you would think you were in a washing machine on its final spin, and it has woke us up each morning, but otherwise there's been no noise, nothing, just literally the vibration each morning. So hope you enjoyed. Click like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next cabin tour.